From Shiva's loom, stillness is a deliberate practice. Movement circulates around a core that refuses to hurry. Tantric wisdom names this core Tantric Stillness, the dance beneath motion. But a yogi watches as the cosmos hums and breathes through him. In his presence, breath and body speak a shared language. We learn to listen with skin, muscle, bone, and nerve. The body is a temple where light and gravity wrestle. The still point arises when desire loosens its grip. The mind becomes a tide that recedes to its source. The tanpura hums, a long drone that steadies the storm within. Temple bells answer with patient rhythm, welcoming the inward pilgrim. A conch sounds softly, a breath amplified into spacious listening. Harmonium sighs, bansuri breathes, veena glides, each instrument pulling attention inward. In Tantra, stillness is a doorway, not a compromise with silence. Energy becomes intelligent when the observer stops chasing its edge. To observe is to bless the ache of becoming. Desire arrives as heat, awareness answers with cool, steady attention. The inner dancer moves with the outer world and neither is harmed. This is the paradox: power without possession, release without escape. The body learns to ride a wave without clinging to shore. Breath becomes a bridge linking globe and galaxy within a single inhale. Shiva remains a witness and a guide, never a ruler over you. Not control, but timing. Not suppression, but deep listening. In that patience, the mind's knives soften and the heart opens. The tantric map unfolds as you walk, not as a map laid on you. Not every path looks the same, yet the center holds. The Himalayas seem to breathe. The wind carries sutras without words. Santor strings murmur against the soul's stubborn questions. Silence gathers substance, then reveals what breath alone cannot. What if stillness is the root of action, not its enemy? What if activity is heat that needs water, not a fire to feed? What if the dancer and the fire share the same source? Shiva's grace is a question that invites more listening than certitude. The breath lives as a thread through prana and intention. In this room, every mudra becomes a vow to observe. The body learns to count breaths and the heart learns to count time. The inner temple grows when the outer temple remains gentle. Then the shadow speaks softly, asking, what remains when need falls away? We answer with steadiness, not conquest, with mercy, not fear. Tantras remind us that power and compassion can share one orbit. A single inhale can rewrite a decade of impulse. A single exhale can invite 1,000 new possibilities. In this turning, stillness does not end life. It refines it. The body rests, the mind clears, and intention clarifies. If you stay, the edges of ego soften into horizon. If you watch, the world reveals its subtler geometry. If you practice, the life you live becomes your own mandala. This is not a verdict, but a doorway, gently worn by faithful attention. Not a retreat from action, but a harvest of discernment. The dance beneath activity is a quiet thunder that only listening reveals.